Alright, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 easy ways to get your Canva presentation over into Google Slides. Maybe you need to work with others on it, or you just like using slides better. Either way, it's pretty simple once you know what to do. Let's tackle the first way, which is downloading and then uploading. First up, grab your Canva presentation and open it. Once it's up on your screen, look for that share button in the top right corner and give it a click. Now, here's the important part. Click download, and you absolutely need to pick PTX as your file type. That's the PowerPoint format that Google Slides understands best and can open properly. Make sure it's set to download all your slides, then hit that download button. Your file will land in your Downloads folder, keeping the same name as your Canva project. Next, head over to Google Slides in your web browser. You can just search for it or go straight there if you have it saved. Once you're looking at the slide start page, spot the file picker icon on the right side. Click that, choose Upload, then Browse. Find your Downloads folder and pick the PowerPoint file you just saved from Canva. Select the file and click Open. Google Slides will start bringing it in. You might see a few things look a tiny bit off while you're editing, but honestly, don't sweat it. Just edit the way you want. Okay, now for the second method, which is actually a bit quicker and smoother. Jump back into your Canva presentation and hit that share button again. This time, click See All and then pick Google Drive. If you haven't linked your Google Drive to Canva before, it'll ask you to do that now. Here's where it's different. When you export straight to Drive, make sure you change the file type in the export options to Microsoft PowerPoint. Then click Save. Once that's done, click View in Google Drive. This nifty step pops your presentation open in Google Slides automatically, no messing around with finding and uploading the file yourself. At this point, your slides are technically still a PowerPoint file sitting inside Google Slides. If you want the full Google Slides experience, like real-time collaboration with others, just go up to the File menu and choose Save as Google Slide. That converts it completely into a native Slides file. Both ways get the job done reliably, but that second method skips a few steps and keeps everything neatly inside Google's world. And there you go! Your Canva presentation is now safely in Google Slides, ready for you to edit, share, or present. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, giving it a like and subscribing to the channel really means a lot. Drop a liked comment too, so I can say thanks personally. Take care, everyone.